So you and a friend were standing around and he said to you, I have a CNC machine. And you thought, I want a CNC machine. But what is a CNC machine? Allow me to beat that proverbial dead horse. CNC doesn't mean chicken and cheese. It means computer numerical control. In the context of this video, it's a machine that cuts material and is controlled by a computer with a language called G code. Which brings us to the point of this video. What machine should you get? So if you go online, you'll see a bunch of different types of machines. They're going to be routers, they might be mills, but just different types, all different sizes. And here's some things to think about while you're looking for a machine. First, what do you want to make with your machine? Do you want to make widgets or toys? Do you want to make wooden things like signs to sell at a farmer's market? Do you want to make parts for cars or airplanes? Or do you just want to do it for fun? Next, what do you want to spend on this machine? Some machines are as little as 200 and some machines go over $1 million. Finally, how much room do you have? Do you have a big garage or a big shop where you can put one or more machines in there? So let me make a suggestion. Just start small. Start with a small desktop router. Those things are pretty easy to operate and a small learning curve, but you can handle it. And once you learn all that, you can get a bigger machine or two and start building RC car parts for people. Then you'll be raking in the money.